All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Early Morning Crypto Talk. Bitcoin, Brandon from Los Angeles, California. It is Friday, one of the most important days for a lot of people. Go ahead and type in the chat box where you're listening in from, and also make sure you hit the thumbs up button on the YouTube channel. Good morning, Lorna Vasquez. Linda Reuter from Seattle. Gina Muhammad. Stan Williams, Tampa, Florida. Nicholas from Sweden. Shane West from Chicago. Who me? Lance Googler. As a disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share suggestion, and it is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. Why is my phone blowing up right now? What's going on? I will get right back to you on 1 minute away from doing my crypto talk. Give me another second. I'm about to do my crypto talk. Wait, I am staying at a hotel right by the airport. I'll get right back to you. All right, there's 4 rules I live by in the crypto space to have success. Rule number 1, education is key. Education is everything. Rule number 2, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Rule number 3, always get a return on your investment as fast as possible. And rule number 4, where do you see yourself in 3 months, 6 months, a year from now? What are you willing to do to make it happen? What vehicle are you using? Make a decision, take action, and remain focused. Do not get distracted. Now, following these rules is not going to guarantee you success, but it will at least minimize your risk, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the most that we can ask for. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me, screen shares. I'm going to be, it's been confirmed, I will be in Austin, Texas next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be meeting with a lot of new members of our new team, new company. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll be out there with Steven from Arizona. Where's my screen share? Here we go. Share screen. So anybody that has if you know anyone in the Austin area, let me know if you want me to meet with them. Things are about to happen very quickly. I will be in Arizona, I know in May. I don't have a date for that yet, but I know I'll be there. Okay, let's look at the screen for CoinMarket. CoinMarket is at 171 billion. Down 6.1% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance, 51.6%. Ethereum still over 10%, so a lot of that loss happened in the altcoins. Although Bitcoin did reach a high of 5,400. Let's see the 24-hour what the high was. I'll look at Poloniex. 24-hour high, 5,064. Oh, it got as low as 4,872. Wow. Right now, it is up 0.96% according to them. What about CoinMarket? 24 hours, 0.7% up. That's pretty good. It swung the other way. Still on a downward trend, though. See, the best performers over the last 24 hours. You've got Ultrain, Nebulous, Cosmos, Nano, Engine Coin at 9.4%. That was a swing upward. Digibyte, BitTorrent, Binance Coin is up 6%. Worst performers: Lambda, Metaverse, Redcoin, Maker. Not too much, stellar, 0.7%. Not too bad the last 24 hours. Might have flatlined just a little bit. All right, I only have 2 articles to cover this morning. First up, I want to talk about Coinbase, because this can end up being very big. I think Coinbase is going to be a huge rival to BitPay in this realm of debit cards. So what's Coinbase doing? Coinbase launches cryptocurrency-based Visa debit card. The cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has recently revealed that it is now launching a Visa debit card. Specifically, this card will allow customers within the United Kingdom and the European Union to spend their cryptocurrencies directly from their Coinbase accounts. Moreover, Coinbase revealed this news in a blog post this past Wednesday. In the announcement post, Coinbase noted that customers with the Coinbase card will have the ability to spend cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or others just as effortlessly as if the cryptocurrencies had been fiat money in a regular bank. Furthermore, transactions will work so that cryptocurrencies are instantly converted into fiat currency once the debit card is used to pay for a purchase. The card will feature support for contactless NFC payments, as well as using either chip or PIN, and will support ATM cash withdrawals. In addition to this, Coinbase notes that the card will reportedly be able to use in conjunction with all the cryptocurrency coins available on Coinbase. As such, the announcement reports that customers will subsequently be able to pay for everyday purchases, like booking train tickets or buying a meal. Previously, there have been similar types of cryptocurrency card products available. However, these have required customers to preload a specific amount of crypto onto the card in order to spend it. Wait, did I miss something here? Coinbase revealed, yeah. Spend cryptocurrency. Well, you got to have it in your account. Well, how's that any different? Instantly converted into fiat. Yeah, okay. Using congestion. Yeah. Available on Coinbase. Okay, this could make cryptocurrency usage dramatically easier. How is this any different from BitPay? I'm waiting to see that. Along with the launch of this Coinbase card, Coinbase is also rolling out a dedicated application which will allow customers to specify what crypto wallet should be connected to their Coinbase card purchases. Oh, okay. What's more, the application will allow users to receive instant receipts of purchases, transaction summaries, access to spending categories, to better overlook purchases, and more. Furthermore, Coinbase has also revealed that the first 1,000 people who join the waitlist for the Coinbase card will not need to pay the issuance fee normally associated with the card in an effort to celebrate the launch of Coinbase card. What is the fee? The first 1,000 people? Well, that's probably going to happen in the first 5 minutes. The issuance fee is otherwise listed at £4 or about £5, about $7, $7.50. The card is launched together with Visa and is currently only available. Oh, are you kidding me? Only available in the UK. But Coinbase plans to support other European countries in the coming months. Why are they doing that there and not the United States? That is very interesting. This foray into more traditional payment technology is notable, seeing as it could potentially open up cryptocurrency payments to a large swath of users who cannot wait for mainstream acceptance of crypto payments for everyday purchases. Not that I would actually use it since I don't hold any money in Coinbase, but Coinbase was probably the most secure. Yeah, I mean, he's got all the regulations in the United States. So even though I don't like them, they are the most secure. So BitPay it is, at least. We stay there. Stay with BitPay. All right, last article up is asset manager warns of new lows, predicts Bitcoin price crash to 1,000. Uh-oh. I didn't even predict that. I say at the lowest, 2,500. That's the lowest I'll say it will go. But 1,000? According to Tyler Jenks, the president of Lucid Investments, Bitcoin could fall back to 4,200 in the near future and may eventually drop to $1,000. He said, I have not commented on Bitcoin since we broke up through the $4,000 to $4,200 resistance zone. I believe we are headed back down to that zone and it will not hold. New lows coming. Target of $1,000 unchanged. I don't see that happening. The prediction of Jenks was released as the Bitcoin price showed signs of a retracement on April 11. In the last 24 hours, the Bitcoin price dropped from its 2019 high at 5,400 to briefly below the $5,000 mark, but a fairly large number of analysts remain cautiously optimistic about the trend of the dominant crypto. Since March 12th, in the past 30 days, the Bitcoin price is still up about 30% against the US dollar and has shown strong momentum. I agree with you, Stan. If Bitcoin goes to 1,000, I am putting, because I don't buy Bitcoin. That's one thing. I don't buy it. I haven't bought Bitcoin since 2017. I earn Bitcoin. But if the price drops to 1,000, I'm buying a lot of Bitcoin. I'm saying that right now. Since March 12th, in the past 30 days, the Bitcoin price is still up about 30% against the dollar and has shown strong momentum. As technical analyst Josh Rager suggested, following a 30% increase in price, any asset can be vulnerable to retracement. I mean, just think about, yesterday I read about, they're saying Bitcoin go to $200,000, right? If it goes to 1,000, I put $3,000 down and buy 3 Bitcoin. That's $600,000 on a $3,000 investment just by holding it. What? What if I drop 10,000 to flip that into over $1 million in a couple of years? Anyways, he further emphasized that the accumulation phase of Bitcoin, a period in which investors begin to purchase the crypto after a 16-month bear market, may take longer than the expectations of investors. BTC could see some sideways action in the next couple of weeks, up until Bitcoin CME futures expiration on April 26th. Not exactly expecting fireworks. But it's only one scenario, and it is a volatile asset. This accumulation cycle can likely take a lot longer than most people think, Rager said. In the past several hours, Bitcoin has already rebounded above the $5,000 level and is demonstrating signals of a short-term corrective rally following a 5% drop in value. On April 12th, according to Fundstrat Global Advisors head of research Thomas Lee, the Bitcoin Misery Index reached 89. Traditionally, Lee said that a BMI of 67 and above was only seen during Bitcoin bull markets. The high BMI of Bitcoin indicates that investors are showing a bull market-like interest in and demand for the crypto. But it also could lead to investors taking profits and prolonging the accumulation phase of the asset. The Bitcoin Misery Index reached 89 on 4.5, highest reading since June 2016. Means good and bad. Good since 2011. BMI greater than 67, only seen during BTC bull market. More evidence, bull starting. This is a whole bunch of nerd talk. I don't know. BTC falls 20 to 25%. Profit taking, okay. Lee added that the bear market for Bitcoin most likely ended when the asset reached its lowest point at around 3122. The main takeaway is that BMI reaching 67 is further evidence the bear market for Bitcoin likely ended at 3,000. Yeah, but you still think it's going to go to 1,000. Both technical traders and strategists in this crypto sector generally believe that Bitcoin established its bottom. BTC can fall nearly $1,000 right now and still have a bullish structure intact. Okay, you guys see that? In other words, if and when you see the price of Bitcoin go below 3,000, that doesn't mean it's the death of Bitcoin. The bullish structure is still there. The infrastructure is still there. What that should tell you is an indicator that the thing's about to snap back up. But you're going to hear in the mainstream media and all the critics and the fly-by-night crypto investors who have no education start screaming that everybody's about to lose everything. That's when you buy up. Some in the likes of multi-coin capital general partner Vinny Lingham have said that BTC would have to surpass bigger resistance levels, such as 6,200 to confirm a bottom and the start of a bull run. I agree with that. Didn't I say I don't look at any of this until the price gets back to 6,000? Then I'll start consider, are we in a bull run yet? It's got to get to the $6,000 range. And if you look at this chart, you got to get all the way to here before I even start thinking, maybe we're back in a bull. We got to be here, and the market cap has to be close to 300 billion. Those are my two numbers I'm looking at. 300 billion, 6,000 for Bitcoin. Am I missing something? Something happened today? Well, I'm getting blown up today. No, it's Friday. All right, let me finish. That said, if we can break 6,200 for BTC, it will likely mark the start of another major bull run and could run hot and high. But if it's pure speculation and other assets benefit disproportionately to value created, it's likely not going to end well, Lingham said. All right, that is it. It can run high, it can go low. Now people calling me. I'll get to that in a second. Something must be going on I don't know about yet. But anyways, that is the news of the day. If anything important happens, I may be back. This is Friday. This is my Wingstop night. And I'm binge watching Game of Thrones, getting ready for the last season. So tomorrow I will be at an event. Probably won't be a crypto talk tomorrow morning. I'll be at an event in Anaheim, new investment opportunity in the crypto space all day. Then next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, I will be in Austin, getting to meet some of our new team members that's coming on board for our new company. So it's about to be, things are about to pick up. I'm also hearing that the green should start mining again next week. That's what I'm hearing. I think the 17th or so, next Wednesday. So anyways, I hope you guys learned something new. As always, that is the point. Enjoy your Friday. God bless. Bitcoin Brandon out. Bye-bye. Yeah, I just sent you an email of where I'm going to be at.